Hello everyone, I am JK. I thank you from wherever you are tuning from. Please subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed and click on the notification bell for new hairstyles and hair secrets. Yeah, let me take you right to this beautiful new and trending hairstyle that I wouldn't love anyone to miss, and I guess this could be the very last time I'm going through this beautiful hairstyle. This is a world's rocking hairstyle right now. It is a very beautiful crochet and braid hairstyle. It can, I've seen a lot of hairdressers, including me, turning this beautiful braid, this beautiful hairstyle into a great and beautiful bridal updo. Please be attentive as I take you through this world rocking hairstyle called Havana twist. Yes, hope you've been following right from the start of this video. This is how I section my hair, my braids, my Havana curls. After sectioning them, this is the result. These are the small particles I got. And if you are going to do this hairstyle that I'm doing right now, because Havana has different hairstyles, but today I'm doing a twist crochet Havana hairstyle. You have to do your inside cornrows so well, just like this way. You make sure you add in threads to strengthen your cornrows, and they must be inside the cornrows, as I always tell you. It helps the hair to be strengthened so well, and it helps our braids, our crochets that we're going to crochet in these cornrows to have a firm foundation and to be strengthened. In case of styling, they can't get out quickly. First of all, I'll go on by telling you the advantages of this hairstyle. They are stylable, they are washable, they are easily handled, they are tangle free, and you can have them at all times, that is to say summer season, winter season, because they are very light. And don't forget this crochet hairstyle called Havana curls or Havana braids. You can swim with it, provided you have a dryer that will help you to dry it well. And whether it can dry by itself, yeah, it is very good in handling. It is very good in styling. It is multi-function. Now these are all cornrows that we are doing this time. This is the spacing of the cornrows. This is the way it goes. Please make sure you follow attentively to the end of this video, because I'm giving you every little detail about this hairstyle. This is the cornrows, they are done. Remember, these cornrows, they do not have to be so tight, because it might weaken your edges or the hairline. This is our cornrows, and I've started by crocheting. We have two types of crocheting. You can double crochet like I've done here, or you can single crochet and just tie this braid to help it not to come out, because this is a time saving hairstyle. You do it once in 2 months or even more. Some people might ask, how can you really have the same hairstyle for more than 2 months? You can have it. Yes, some have a problem of itching, but this is a hairstyle. Remember, you can wash and apply scalp oil, so it gives you a chance of having it for more than 2 months, because of course you will wash it when it's itching, and you can apply oil at any times. You crochet. This is the way we crochet, and these are the gaps. Don't crochet. Don't put a lot. Don't crochet too much braids on your client, because she will have a bulky head. So just crochet enough. This is the way we go. This is the way we crochet our Havana twisty braids. Please follow very well and be attentive. Follow every step, because surely I've given you all the methods of this hairstyle, and this is the very last time. I promise I'm giving you every single detail. This is a detailed Havana crochet twisty braids hairstyle that is trending, and you need to learn it, because it is very good in protecting our hair. It is very good in handling. It is very good in plaiting it or braiding it. Yes, so I crochet my hair just the way you see me do here. I go ahead and crochet my hair. I promise you that the results of this hairstyle are just wow, and at the end you're gonna see something so beautiful. Some of you are wondering why the cornrows are not so looking neat. It doesn't matter, as long as your cornrows are well spaced, or they've been braided the best way. You don't have to make them so neat, no. Just make sure they are the right cornrows that you are going to crochet on your Havana crochet twisty braids. I always advise my people or my learners or different hairstylists that watch me, and it's better you go through every method, and then we go through every step. You go step by step, not mixing things at the same time. So here I'm going step by step. I'm first crocheting the wall head, and then I go to the second step. With other hairstyles, it's okay, you can mix things at the same time, but this crochet needs to be calculated very well. Havana braids needs to be calculated very well, because you've sectioned, or you've gotten a lot of different particles from the big braids, so you need to calculate very well in order your braids to be enough and to be given enough space, and then to help to make to have a great outlook, like your client to come out so well, like the hairstyle to come out so well and beautiful. I advise you, when you're going to braid this hairstyle, I advise you to go step by step. So this is the step that we are on right now. We are crocheting our Havana curls just like this. Thank you, and I appeal to everybody, please watch my videos because they have hidden secrets in them. I'm not selfish. I make sure everything, every knowledge I have or I acquire about hair, I bring it to light and I bring it to you. So please be attentive, watch very well, and then don't be selfish also. When there's something you've acquired from this video and you have a friend who is so green about this, please go ahead and let them know about it. That's how we acquire knowledge. Knowledge is acquired from our friends, from different people, from different sources. So be a good teacher also, because a candle loses nothing by lighting another candle. This is how we go on crocheting our braids. This is how we do it. Make sure your client doesn't feel any pain at all, because she comes to the salon to relax and have a great new look. So you don't have to give her pain, don't have to give her the time. So this is the right way of crocheting without hurting your client. Thank you from wherever you are watching. I really thank you, and I promise that new hairstyles are coming on board very, very soon. Just make sure I tuned in to Hair Crown UG. So after crocheting, we are starting to twist our braids. This is the best way of twisting. You don't have to be so tight or exert a lot of energy on your strands. Just make sure that you are flexible, your hands are flexible, and you twist in the right way. You see these curls are big, so it means you don't have to do the other twisting that makes them tight. No, they have to. This is a loose hairstyle. They have to be loose. Your strands have to be loose, and they will bring out a great twist, and the curls will come out so well. So this is how we twist these braids. Hope you are enjoying and hope you are learning. Don't take this lightly, because I'm assuring you this is a great way of twisting, and this is these are the secrets, these are the basics of hair twisting and hair braiding. These are the very, very best basics that most hairdressers hide from you. So make sure when you're twisting these curls, you go on spacing your curls, because the curls are big. The bigger the curls, the more you space them when twisting. And when the curls are small, of course you can twist them. You can twist them the other tight way. Like, I mean, you don't leave big gaps when twisting, but here you make sure you be loose when twisting them. Thank you from wherever you are watching, and let me finish up all the secrets I want to give you, and I leave you to enjoy the video. So after twisting, make sure you get your spray, and the only advisable spray for these curls is water and oil. You mix your water, it has to be much water, and then just little oil, and you spray in these curls to keep them moisturized. They will always look fresh, and they can't be spoiled all through having it. By the time you remove, they'll still look good, and I'm sure you won't like to remove them so soon. So after twisting them and after spraying your water and oil, as you're going to see, you cut the dead ends and only leave the neat ones. The dead ends, the ends, you cut them so well, and afterwards you can style in any way that you want. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe, comment if you have any questions, share and give me thumbs up for this video. Thank you. I'm JK and I sign out. Let me leave you to enjoy this video to the end. See you in my next video. God bless you.